Isidumbu sika-Anele Bhengu satholakala emseleni kwaMakhutha KwaZulu-Natal wabe enqunywe uqhoqhoqo sinamanxeba amaningi okugwazwa. Ukubulawa kwakhe kubalwa nezigameko eziningi zokuhlaselwa kwabomphakathi we-LGBTQI. Inhlangano i-Psychological Society of South Africa's Sexuality and Gender Division ithi umsusa walezehlakalo inzondo ebhekiswe kulomphakathi.
Underlying messages of intolerance, mistrust, resentment and discrimination may become internalized. In other words, call someone filthy, a pervert or undesirable often enough, and that is what they believe of themselves and indeed become, and sometimes devaluing themselves and their lives in the process.
Lokhu kwenza nabanye abayingxenye yalomphakathi ngezinye izindlela bazithole bethelwa amachaphazelo.
The impact thereof may also extend beyond the individual or direct victim, so to speak, to others who share that identity, thus to the larger target group to which the individual belongs, and it may instill fear or anger within these groups.
Iningi lamalungu LGBTQI alizibiki izigameko zokuhlukunyezwa elihlangabezana nakho.
88% of LGBTI people do not report hate crime cases. It's because of what is happening on the grounds and the belief of or trust that LGBTI people have on the justice system, on the system of police.
Ithimba elibhekele amalungelo e-LGBTQI lithi acele 42 amacala ayamene nokuhlukunyezwa kwalomphakathi yasezinkantolo kanti okuholela kule nzondo kuntululwazi malungana nomphakathi we-LGBTQI.